The storm in general, I think it's fair to say, was less destructive than predicted so far. We are lifting all the traffic bans on the roads. The MTA is in the process of bringing the trains back out, subway and rail. They were put away yesterday, last night, late at night, in an area where they would be protected from the weather. The airports, the Port Authority has done a very good job at clearing the airports. The problem are the cancellations by the airlines, and there are heavy cancellations of flights still.